Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by inspecting your cable and ports for damage or debris. Use an Apple-certified Lightning cable or USB-C cable for reliable connection. Inspect adapters or dongles you plan to use because cheap adapters cause intermittent connections. Unlock your iPhone and keep it on the home screen. Disable screen time restrictions if they block USB access. Have your device passcode ready. When asked, tap Trust on your iPhone to allow the computer to access files securely. Plug the Lightning or USB-C cable into your iPhone and a powered USB port. Use a direct port on your computer rather than an unpowered hub for stability. On Mac OS, open Finder for iOS 13 and later, or open iTunes on older Mac OS versions. On Windows, install and open iTunes to manage backups and media. For car audio, select USB input on the stereo and allow your iPhone to connect. Use Apple CarPlay where supported and follow on-screen prompts to begin. If the device does not appear, restart both iPhone and computer and try again. Update iOS and your computer operating system to the latest stable versions before retrying. Reinstall or update iTunes on Windows if the app cannot detect your iPhone. Try a different certified cable or another USB port to isolate hardware issues. For photos, use Photos on Mac OS or File Explorer on Windows to import files. For full backups, use Finder on Mac OS or iTunes on Windows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.